In 2025, the world of work has fundamentally changed. We are no longer in an era where hours worked equals dollars earned. Instead, we have entered the age of the AI-powered individual. Today, I'm going to walk you through the top 5 AI tools that are currently redefining productivity and, more importantly, opening up massive opportunities for online income, all without you ever needing to show your face on camera. Whether you are a student, a full-time professional, or someone looking to escape the 9-to-5 grind, these tools represent the most efficient path to building a scalable side hustle this year.
First on our list is the backbone of the AI revolution, ChatGPT. But we aren't talking about just asking it simple questions. In 2025, the real money is in specialized prompt engineering and content architecture. Freelancers are currently using ChatGPT to act as high-level consultants for small businesses that don't have the budget for a full marketing team. You can use it to build entire content calendars, write high-converting email sequences, or even generate complex code for simple web applications. Imagine a local business needing a series of newsletters to keep their customers engaged. With the right prompts, you can produce a month's worth of professional content in under an hour. By charging a flat fee for this service, you aren't just selling your time. You're selling a result that used to take a week of human labor. The key to high RPM here is focusing on niches like real estate or legal services, where the value of a single lead is worth thousands of dollars.
Moving to our second tool, we have Canva AI. Design has been democratized. You no longer need to spend years learning complex software to produce professional-grade visuals. Canva's Magic Studio allows you to generate entire brand kits, logos, and social media presentations from a single text prompt. This has created a massive market on platforms like Etsy and Fiverr for digital products. Many creators are building passive income storefronts where they sell AI-generated templates for planners, business cards, and even digital wallpapers. The productivity boost here is staggering. What used to take a graphic designer an afternoon can now be done in seconds, allowing you to manage 20 clients as easily as you used to manage one.
Third on the list is a game changer for content creators, Pictory AI. We all know that video is the most powerful medium on the internet, but filming and editing can be a nightmare. Pictory solves this by taking a written script, perhaps one you generated in ChatGPT, and automatically matches it with high-quality stock footage, music, and subtitles. This is the secret weapon for the faceless YouTube channel you are watching right now. It allows you to produce high-definition, engaging video content at scale. By focusing on high-intent topics like financial literacy or tech tutorials, you can attract premium advertisers, leading to that high RPM we all want. The ability to repurpose one script into a YouTube video, a TikTok, and an Instagram reel in minutes is the ultimate productivity hack for 2025.
Our fourth tool shifts the focus toward marketing and scaling, Jasper AI. While ChatGPT is great for general tasks, Jasper is specifically trained for high-performance marketing copy. It understands brand voice and consumer psychology better than almost any other tool on the market. Small businesses and e-commerce stores are desperate for ad copy that actually converts viewers into buyers. By using Jasper, you can offer a marketing-as-a-service side hustle. You can write Facebook ads, Google descriptions, and Amazon product listings that are mathematically optimized to sell. Because Jasper integrates with SEO tools, you can ensure that the content you produce ranks at the top of search results, making you an indispensable asset to any business looking to grow. Finally, we look at the creative frontier with Run Diffusion and AI art generators like Midjourney. This is where art meets automation. Creators are now generating unique digital assets, book covers for Amazon KDP, and even textures for video games. The market for unique AI-generated art is expanding into professional sectors like interior design and website architecture. You can create a collection of high-end digital prints or commissioned illustrations without ever picking up a paintbrush. The productivity here lies in the speed of iteration. You can show a client 50 different concepts in the time it used to take to sketch one.
As we wrap up, it's important to remember that these tools are exactly that, tools. The real value comes from how you combine them. Imagine using ChatGPT to write a script, 11 Labs to voice it, Pictory to visualize it, and Canva to design the thumbnail. You have just created a professional media house from your laptop. The 2025 economy doesn't reward those who work the hardest. It rewards those who leverage the best technology. Which of these 5 tools will you start with? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to keep mastering the world of AI side hustles, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Your journey to a smarter, more productive income starts today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.